Hello ESTA family. I was hoping to see you this spring in Portugal, in Porto, but I'm happy to have a chance from Porto organizing committee to meet you now here in YouTube private through this link. My topic was Pilates Strings, and I hope that you breathe in and out freely. Please stand up with me, and we are going to do a small exercise to let your body move. So, while you breathe in, breathe through your nose, and while you breathe out, you can relax your jaw, your tongue, and your throat. So you say in a kind of ha. And while you do that, think about your pelvic floor, that you strengthen every muscle, and the navel is coming up towards to your throat. And then about the standing. Stand straight. Think about the bone lines, that you're really straightening your standing position and rooting your feet down. And towards that, you strengthen the whole spine. Let your shoulder blades go down. Lengthen your neck and relax. So breathe in through your nose. And relax while you breathe out. Your jaw is free, tongue is free, your throat is free. Breathe in and turn the other shoulder down and relax down. And switch. Just turn your shoulder and let it go down. So inhale. And down, out, exhale, and inhale. Bend your knees a little bit and enjoy your breathing. Free breathing nowadays, it's very important. So breathe in and out. And in and out. And then once more. And then touch, tiny touch to your shoulders with your fingers. And continue the motion and have the feeling that you're really drawing towards the ceiling, and then let your elbow go down. So breathe in and out. And look a little bit up after your elbow. And breathe in and out. And in and out. And inhale. And last time, the other one. And now we change. Take the whole hand and look after that hand. Keep your pelvis very straight in front of you. So breathe in and look after, and your chest is opening after your hand. And then change your hand. And out. So in and bend your knees. So inhale and exhale. While the hand is relaxing down. And then keep your head straight and open both hands and look up to the ceiling and open your chest. And then relax your hand down. So inhale and out and inhale and out. And last one like this. In and out. And then next time when you open your chest towards the ceiling, so open it more, let it go towards the ceiling and open your hands. And then turn your face down, lengthen your hands and strengthen your hands. And you, in a way, scoop your muscle, you have the ball in front of you, and you scoop over that ball. And inhale, out and out, exhale. And bend your knees and inhale and let your shoulders go down and exhale and in and out. And then we continue. Inhale, let your elbows go down and exhale, hands up, and then relax. And inhale, let your elbows go down and out. And then take one foot in front of you. Leave the other foot back, that you have your the feeling on your toes. And then you inhale and bend your knees and then come down. And once more like this, inhale, bend your knees, and come down. And now we continue like inhaling, and then now elbows down, open your chest, and now tail hands up, and relax everything. And once more to this side, inhale, and down, and out. And then just switch your legs on the other side, and keep the distance between your legs. And think that you're really, once again, rooting your feet down. Here, the front leg, and back on your toes. So, inhale, and elbows down, and out, and relax everything. And inhale, and out, and relax. Both shoulders go around in front of you, and then shoulder blades down. Last time. Inhale and down. Now we need a little smile. Think about your nose and think about big smile. You turn that smile up and down. Relax your shoulders. Lengthen your spine and look very far. And strengthen your neck. And inhale. Exhale while you come down. And inhale on the other side. And down. And last time, both sides. And relax your head down. Your chest is open. Rooting your feet, straight spine. Feel, and then your pelvis, your tailbone is going more towards the floor. And now let your head go down. Inhale. Push your vertebrae in your neck back. And relax. And then roll down, only neck. Head is going down. And then push your head and neck backwards. And relax. Last time. Let your neck go down. Your head is going down. You're looking to your toes. And then shoulders down. And relax. And like this, we are going to continue later. Hopefully in Helsinki. The whole body. Enjoy your spring. Enjoy summer. I miss you all. Greetings from ESTA Finland, board and members to you all. Warm hugs, distant hug, and see you in August from 3rd to 7th in ESTA Helsinki. Before that, let's hope that we have a chance to meet in Porto, but if it's not possible, it's very enjoyable to meet you even in this way. So, see you later.